Welcome back to All by Oli Design. Today I'm going to show you how to create these bridal sleeves. For example, we hemmed the wedding gown and this is the total fabric that we have left. And since she wanted to match as possible as she can with the sleeves, I did have some lace which will match her dress, but at the same time, I did not had enough, so I had to remove some of the leaves or flowers from the dress, but that way so nobody's gonna see it. And next step, I did add the hem part, which is two layers. One layer is a sparkle one, and one is a simple tulle. So I folded, let's say, 4 times because on a strap the center seam is folded. And then I will make sure I have enough length, which if it's folded, I need it around 6.5 inches. Then I will pin all together and I can start creating my sleeve. So I will take the ruler and I measure 6.5 and wide 3. You're gonna start from up here and make it into a curve. Make sure at the edge will be 90 degrees. Then I'm gonna cut my folded sleeves and I will leave a little less than 1/4. Now I'm ready to sew them, so I will be combining one layer of a sparkle tulle and one simple. Then I will add some pins so it'll be easier for me to sew it. We'll have to sew on the down part and upper part of detail, but make sure you leave a little spot to turn the sleeve to the right side. After I sew it, I make sure to cut a little closer to the stitch that we did. But on the part where I left open, I will leave as it is because I needed to fold it and then I'll be able to press it. So as you see now, I'm just turning through the hole all the sleeve to the right side. Now we're ready to press. When pressing, I'm just gonna folding, see this part where I left open and press it. Because we're gonna sew lace on top, I do not need to close that little hole, but if your design needs to, then you have to close it by hand. Next, I will take my laces and I will try to play and see how I want it to be these sleeves. But make sure you're working on both sleeves and create a symmetrical sleeve. So the front and back side looks exactly similar as the other sleeve. So as you see, this is my already other sleeves and this is the front part. And as you see, like on one side have to be symmetrical to the other. On one I have two flowers, so I'm gonna change it into a second flower to make sure they look symmetrical. And these sleeves can be designed in many designs and many styles depending on what style you need for the wedding gown. Sometimes you can add also some beads, but on this design I didn't add it since we had just couple of 3D flowers and then everything looked just like original sleeves for the wedding gown that we have. After we pinned all the lace, I'm gonna use this clear thread and on a bobbin side I will put the regular thread. Make sure the size is on fifth and then I will put the foot up and I will start sewing. Make sure don't get the pins into the needle because it will break your needle. And a little by little, I'm just gonna start sewing and removing the pins. And that's how we are finishing our sleeves. After we're gonna finish our details, we just gonna press it, and I will be sewing the snaps at the edge because the sleeves needs to be detachable. And also I will hand stitch the flowers or the beading if you need anything else. So our sleeves is ready, and that's all, and I will show you how it looks on the customer. Always make sure you are measuring the length that you need, so that way when you sewing to the dress, you know exactly in which spot to sew the snaps. And that's all, and here is the final result, how it looks on the customer. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you have any question, and I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe for more.